we guide you through how to like a game on Roblox. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your Roblox app on your phone and use the search bar to find the game you want to support. Tapping on its thumbnail to open the game's page, scrolling down to locate the like button under the game's title or near the play button, and simply tapping the heart icon to register your like, after which you'll see the count increase immediately, confirming your action. Plus, if you want to unlike it later, just tap the heart again to remove your like, making sure your app is updated to the latest version so all buttons work properly. And that's it. It's fast, easy, and ensures your favorite games get recognition they deserve on Roblox Mobile.